coming. This is bullshit. I can catfish too, and then have the entire channel think I'm a nerdy hot chick, so they all say goodbye to me too. Shut up, Stefan. All right, no one's gonna believe it. No one's gonna believe that about you. Okay. Kevin, see, that's what I have a problem with. Like, how do you separate the art from the artist with Kevin Spacey? Because he is a phenomenal actor. But he's also a piece of shit. Although I'm surprised he wasn't a serial killer. Ding ding. Well, no one wants to hold things overnight, which is sad, but okay. What was he doing in Times Square? I just remind myself he was in Margin Call. That movie was fucking atrocious. But he floated it. Him and that British guy, whose name I can never remember. But sub 3000 SPX October puts print if the market drops 10% within the next couple weeks. Yes, but you'd have to have a lot of theta on them. Talk bullish to me on the SPX. It didn't crash today. I don't know if it gets more bullish than that. Monday's over. It's survived. Jeremy Irons. Yeah. Jeremy Irons. He was also awful in Margin Call, but that was just the movie's fault, right? Like, not the actors in it. Yeah, Margin Call, not realistic. Not good. Maybe the worst financial movie ever made. And that's saying a lot. Give us some cope. Well, Jimmy had a pretty good day, right? I mean, we only went down 2% versus the market's 100 basis point drop. Um, Fubo down 10%, kind of back in that really nice buying range. And Upstart kind of holding its own, stayed above 20. So could have been worse. You know, the major powers currency crashed last night. The dollar's ripping to oblivion. Bonds are getting bought like crazy. Things aren't great, but they could be worse. Yeah, the longer it holds, the more bullish it is. What was the DM chart that you showed us earlier about GME? I have no idea. Rev is dead? Did it die overnight? It's just $5. The entire market's tanking. Revlon's moved down $1.50 in the last 2 weeks, and everyone's freaking out. Next in, Russia uses a nuclear weapon. Unlikely. And is that bearish? That's a good question. I mean, the Fed's been trying to lower demand. So Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning. Have a good night, guys.